Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now we'd love to bring up our lovely vocalists. Please put your hands together for the lovely McKenna Ridgway.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight. We are the new Recessionaires, and we're very happy to be here with all of you.
Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm blue.
My disposition depends on you.
I never mind the rain from the sky if I can find the sun in your eye. Sometimes I love you,
sometimes I hate you.
But when I hate you,
it's 'cause I love you.
That's how I am, so what can I do? I'm happy when I'm with you.
Sometimes I'm happy,
Sometimes I'm blue.
my disposition
Depends on you. I never mind the rain from the sky if I can find the sun in your eye. Sometimes I love you,
sometimes I hate you.
but when I hate you,
It's 'cause I love you.
that's how I am, so what can I do?
I'm happy when I'm with.
So happy when I'm happy when I'm with you.
Thank you so much.
I've got a man that's always late anytime we have a date, but I love him. Yes, I love him. And I'm gonna walk up to his gate and see if we can get this thing straight, 'cause I want him. And you know I intend to have him. So is you is, or is you ain't my baby? 'Cause the way you're acting lately makes me doubt you is still my baby, baby. But it seems like my flame in your heart's done gone out. Now man is a creature that has always been strange. Just when you're sure of one, you'll find he's gone and made a change. So is you is, or is you ain't my baby? Well, maybe my baby All right, Willie over here, the drummer, multi-talented man, is going to take the mic for this next song.
I'd love to sing a song. Sing a song for all you lovers out there. Who's in love? Anybody in love? Who's in love? Yeah, all right. This one's for all you lovers who can't be good. So be careful if you can't be good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Oh, be careful, careful if you can't be good. Oh, be careful and do the little things you should. Now don't go driving in my best friend's car. That's no protection or your job. Be careful, careful if you can't be good. Come on, dance couple number 2. Oh, be careful, careful if you can't be good. Oh, be careful and do the little things you should. Now, baby, you're fine, so cool and sweet. Don't you try to make a fool of me. Be careful, careful if you can't be good. Come on, Roger. Oh, that sounds like Bill Underman over there. For Bill Underman on the saxophone, all the way from Los Feliz. Bryden, all the way from Germany. Oh yeah, James Acorn. Oh, be careful. Careful if you can't be good. Be careful and do the little things you should. Now, baby, 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 when you're out with men, drink water, baby, don't drink gin. Be careful, careful if you can't be good. Or be careful. Careful if you can't be good. Be careful and do the little things you should. Now look here, honey, if you want a dime, spend my money on another guy. Be careful, careful if you can't be good. I think it's better. Best if you just be good. Thank you very much. We have a lovely instrumental out there for all of you fans of burlesque. and tones of Bill Ungerman on the saxophone.
With you the first time I looked into them their eyes, and you got a certain little cute way of flirting with them their eyes. They make me feel so happy, they make me feel so blue. I'm falling, no stalling, in a great big way for you. My heart is jumping, you started something with them their eyes. You'd better look out, little brown eyes, if you're wise. They sparkle, they bubble, they'll get you in a whole lot of trouble. Oh, baby, them their eyes. With you the first time I looked into them their eyes, and you've got a certain little cute way of flirting with them their eyes. They make me feel so happy, they make me feel so blue. Falling, no stalling, in a great big way for you. My heart is jumping, you started something with them their eyes. You'd better look out, little brown eyes, if you're wise. Sparkle, bubble, get you in a whole lot of trouble. I'm looking for the boy with the wistful eyes. Oh, baby, them their eyes. Thank you very much. All right, for this next one, Willie is going to take the mic again, right? All of me? Oh. Hit that jive. Hit that jive. Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight. Again, we are the new Recessionaires. This is our first time here at the Cicada Club, and we are setting sail for Japan at the end of the month to go to the Fuji Rock Festival. So we're very excited about that. So thank you so much for sending us off to that.
I hit that jive, put it in your pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. I hit that jive, put it in your pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Standing on that corner, you're full of jive, asking me for a quarter. I said, no, you won't get that tonight. I hit that jive, put it in your pocket till I get back. Going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive, Jack, put it in your pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive, Jack, put it in your pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time You know, McKenna, I was at that 7-Eleven.
Oh, yeah, Willie?
They asking me for $5 for gasoline again.
What?
I said, hell no, you won't get that tonight.
No.
I hit that jive jack, put it in your pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Oh, yeah. Somebody's birthday out there. Germany. Jive jack, I'll put it in your pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man and I ain't got time to shake your hand. I hit that jive jack, I'll put it in your pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man and I ain't got time to shake your hand. You know, hanging out downtown here, you get hit up a lot for money.
It's true,
all
Willie.
the time, every block I'm talking about it. Oh, I got $5 left. I said, hit that jive jack, put it in your pocket till I get back. I'm going downtown to see a man and I ain't got time to shake your hand.
All right, earlier Willie asked if any of you out there have been in love before, and this song is for anyone who's been in love and had their heart broken. So maybe you can mend it by getting out on the dance floor and shaking a few off. Why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my lips, I'll never use them. Take my arms, 'cause I want to lose them. Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry. How can I go on, dear, without you? You took the part that once was my heart, so why not take all of me? I know there's a lot of amazing dancers out there, so this one is for you guys if you haven't gotten out on the dance floor. This is a great time to do it. It's a little song we like to call Happy Feet.
Toes. And when they hear a tune, I can't control my dancing heels to save my soul. Weary blues can't get into my shoes because my shoes refuse to ever grow weary. I keep cheerful on an earful of music sweet, 'cause I've got those happy feet. When they hear a tune, I can't control my dancing heels to save my soul. Weary blues can't get into my shoes because my shoes refuse to ever grow weary. I keep cheerful on an earful of music sweet, 'cause I've got those happy feet.
Thank you. Thank you to all you amazing dancers.
All right, we're going to feature McKenna on a very lovely love song here called Somebody Loves Me.
That's true, hopefully.
It's true. One, two, 4.
Somebody loves me. Somebody needs me. I wish I knew who he can be, where he's
right. Yes. So you can see Benedict is performing with us. He's in town. He's usually on tour with Yanni. Is that correct?
How about a hand for our guest on violin, Benedict, please?
And my parents are also here, and they paid for a violin lesson when I was growing up. So between Benedict and Bill, I've been trying to pick it back up. So without further ado, I'm going to try my hand at the violin.
Here's an original tune written by our fearless leader, William Ungerman. This one called The New Recessionaire Theme. And oh boy, this is going to get fancy up here, I can see. Don't cross swords there. Don't cross swords. One, two, three.
Thank you, Benedict. So this next song is another original written by Bill and the lyrics by Willie, is that correct?
Yes, penned by Guillermo.
All right.
It's sort of a very delicious number. An
Oh
edible
yes,
song.
quite delicious. I hope you guys are all enjoying your desserts out there. I've been cooking since I was young. My mother said it's supposed to be fun. I love baking, especially when it's lean. She taught me how to keep my oven clean. I have some specialties that I'm known for. It gets so hot I have to open the door. My candied yams, my lovely hams, my beans and rice, I have to decry, but mama, they all just want a piece of my pie. if he starts to get fresh, I think it's time he should leave. I learned to measure and to do as I'm told, but if you wait too long, the bread starts to mold. My meat is sweet, it's such a treat. They start to pry, but they can't deny. Everyone just wants a piece of my pie. Admit, so many mouths to feed. I tried to keep up, but I got burned, you see. I learned my lesson and it's nothing new, not to bite off more than you can chew. Bird in the hand, I have to pluck, but 5 men, it's hard to cook for. Everyone just wants a piece of my pie. My. All right, we just have a few numbers left before we take a quick break. So, this is a remedy song. Anybody out there who's, feeling lonely or sad or whatever, let me just tell you that love is good for anything that ails you.
We kind of have a lot of love songs, don't we?
We do. It's a very common theme.
But we don't have that Paul McCartney silly love song, though. You know.
That's a little bit in the future. I don't know.
Yeah, we don't have that one. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2,
3, 4. Love is good for anything that ails you. Baby, there is nothing love can't do. Love is good for anything that ails you. How's about a sweet romance or two? A kiss will pep you up, a little hug will step you up. If dreams kept you up, you don't need pills, you need thrills. Love's a precious thing that never fails you. Love is good for anything that ails you.
This is our last song. How about a hand for the band, everybody? These guys are all right. They're veterans. They look good. They have their hats on. They got ties. They're good-looking gentlemen. Oh, yeah. A lot of them were single. A lot of them were single, I tell you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We are the new Recessionaires. We'll be right back in just a few minutes. Get yourself a cocktail. I'm gonna grab one. Have a dance. Maxwell Demille'S, Cicada Club. Thank you.